Good morning. So today we are going to look at indentation in Python programming. So look at this example. If 7 is greater than 4, then you bring your colon. So look at where the print statement is beginning. So in Python, indentation is very important because Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. So look at where the if statement is beginning. So if 7 is greater than 4, then you bring your colon. So the next statement, that's the print statement, then the you bring the indentation. So the print statement will come below the 7. If you bring the print statement to begin with the if statement, you will see that it will give you an error message. So you always make sure that you indent it so that if you run it like this, it will print the statement. This so this is a true statement. But supposing if you bring the print statement, you see that there is a red wavy line underline the print statement. So when you run it like this, you see that it will give you an error. So indentation is very important. So immediately after one statement, so the next statement you have to indent it. So you press on the tab, then it will indent it. Then after that, when you run it, it will give you the statement that you want to print. Thank you very much.